This is my bike check on my stolen cherry bike. Start off in the front, I got kinked alpha grips, and I got the Odyssey M2 lever with the brake cable that came with it. My bars are Shadow Voltus bars. They are 9-inch rise. I don't know how wide they are. I cut them, but I think originally they were 30-inch wide. The top of them's pretty sweet. It's like a teardrop, so it's like pointed on the bottom. And then for my stem, I got a can't see it, but it's a Sunday Freeze stem. And my bolts are Shadow Conspiracy hollow bolts. And then for my headset is a Primo headset and a Snafu gyro with just an Odyssey bottom gyro cable. And then my forks are Fit Shiv 1, so they're old, but my front tire is a premium CK red wall tire, 2.4 wide, and I don't know what kind of front rim I got. It's just a junk rim. I haven't bought new rims yet. And then for my pedals, they are Daily Grind with metal pins. They grip really good. I've never slipped since I've had them. And my crank is a Profile LE crank. I like it. Looks good. It's light, and my sprocket's a 28 tooth Animal Vinylite with my chain, which is a Mechanic half link, and my bottom bracket is just a Profile and polish. And then my seat post is a Stolen Thermalite seat post, and my seat is a Kink Sexton 1 seat. My brakes are Fly manual brakes. They are really good. I like them a lot. The brake pads are just Fly brake pads. My back tire is also a premium CK and 2.4. My back rim is a Eastern Birectional with 9-tooth driver, so I run 28.9. I like it more than 25.9 because you take off a little bit faster. But my frame is a Stolen Cherry. It is 20.25 in the front. It's got a little cherry. Looks pretty sweet. Like and subscribe. Thanks.